Hi everyone, this is your pal Kate Hart here, and happy Makeup Monday. Today we are going to be working on false eyelashes. So yeah, false eyelashes. Well, I use them for quite a bit of things. I use them for modeling because sometimes on camera it just sometimes it's hard to tell if you even have eyelashes with just mascara alone. Not saying it can't work, but you know, this way there's different strip lashes you can use. You can even do extensions just to make it look like there's some lashes there. So for today, I'm just going to show you my collection with what I use for different characters, and sometimes even just to go to a party and, you know, and just give myself a little something. Even when I got married, I used some false eyelashes only because, you know, with crying and all that, you know, this way I had a little bit of fullness to my lashes for pictures and videos and such. All right, so here we go. First off, one product I do want to point out is that we have, or that I have the best adhesive to use. This is a liquid glue and it only just takes a few seconds to dry. This is by Duo and it's a brush on adhesive, and this is in a white color but it dries off clear. Okay, there's also ones that are in black and it dries off black, but I like the clear just in case if you end up with different color lashes other than black. And you know, it kind of like blends out a little bit better any kind of particular eyeliner you might have that maybe black or not. And it just, I personally like the clear the best because then it goes with everything. So that's that, the Duo eyelash adhesive. Okay, now, alright, to start off, I have some stuff from the drugstore and Walmart and even Amazon, and then of course Sephora and MAC. So let's go over the MAC ones first, since I only have a couple of them here. Alright, so I have this pair here, and this is, and that doesn't really tell you what number. Let me see here. This is just says number 75. This pair, and this is by MAC, and I believe I used this, I forget for what character, but I did use this on a character. So that's that. And here's the other pair by MAC, and this is in number 87, Maximalist Lash. There's another pair there. And this one here I used for my engagement photo shoot, and this is also by MAC, and this is in 80 Romantic Lash. Haha, very funny, very appropriate. So, and in case you're wondering what the L and R, left lash, right lash, I have my markings on some of the stuff, and there's other lashes that don't matter, so that's my little system there. Okay, so there's the MAC. Now, the Sephora collection, I have let's see, oh yeah, I got quite a bit here because this I use for a variety of characters. And let's see, so this one here is called House of Lashes by Sephora, and this is in Cecily. So it's just like a medium kind of dramatic, but it's just enough to give your eyelashes a little bit more drama. So there's that. This one is called Faux Minx and Noelle number 14, and this is by the Huda Beauty, and this is a very nice set. Now this one here, this isn't what they originally looked like. I actually took some, you know, little trimming scissors and actually trimmed the very bottom to edge them out just to give them like a character kind of look that I was going for. And again, I forget what character off the top of my head, but I did this for a shoot to do like a funky kind of look to the character. So there's that. And again, this is not the original look. If you look it up online, you'll see what it actually looks like. But I did do a trimming on this on purpose because I liked the fullness of it, but I felt like I just needed to trim it for the character. So there's that. And then I have another one here that I used for another character. This is also by Huda Beauty. That's a tongue twister. And this is called the Carmen number 9. And there's some very thick lashes, and there's not really that much of like that angle. It's just like centered, kind of like, if that makes any sense. So that's what that looks like, but it does have a nice little touch to it. And then last but not least, I have the Sasha by number 11. Let me clarify that. By Huda Beauty. This is Sasha number 11. This is my favorite pair, and I've actually used this on some of my she-wolf looks. So it's a nice dramatic, a little bit of a cat-eye feel to it, a little thickness to it. And there's that. Okay, and now we're gonna get on to the, I believe I got these ones from Walmart now that I think about it. But this is a good one. This is called I Envy 3D Collection. And this is multi-tangle on volume, lightweight, spiky 3D, number 78. And I actually just used this on my Christmas she-wolf character. As you can see, some of the red glitter to it. But yeah, that's what I just used that for. And then here, this is another pair I use for she-wolf with the looks from this past year. This is by the Lash Couture Matte Black, Matte Velvet, Faux Mink collection. Here, you can just read some of the box there. But yeah, this is a nice dramatic, nice feathery touch to it, especially when you go for the smoky eye. Woohoo! This is a nice pair to have. Let's see. And also out of that collection, I just added a little bit more just in case. It doesn't hurt to have an extra pair of false lashes because you never know when that full moon is going to hit you. Oh, full moon. Haha, she will. Or you never know when that blue moon is going to hit you and you need false lashes, and this way you have an extra pair, something similar to what you know, are wearing. So here's the same company. This is the matte sheer. I'm just focusing this so you could read the box because there's so many names on this. And then last but not least, here is the matte silk, same brand. There's that. And then I also got these, it's called the Manga Cat Eye Strip Lashes, but give you a better look here. There's just like a little strip lash set here. So yeah, those are my false eyelash collections, and I hope you enjoyed this video today. Give this up, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Happy Makeup Monday, everybody!